Selecting a mutual fund is quite easy, isn't it? Just Google top 10 mutual funds of 2021. No, please don't do this. This is probably the worst yet most common approach we have seen people taking. If not this, then how should you go about selecting your funds? Let's say you have a choice between 4 blue chip equity funds. How do you know which is the best one? Look out for these key 5 things to decide. Number 1. Historic performance of the fund as compared to benchmark. Just looking at the past performance on its own is completely meaningless. You need to determine if this particular fund manager is outperforming the benchmark in the respective industry, geography, or asset class. Only then can you assess the success or failure. Do not make this point the only factor for your decision, because past performance is not necessarily an indication of future returns. Number 2. Risk exposure of the fund. This tells you how risky the underlying investments in the fund are. As a baseline, for funds of similar nature with comparable returns, lower risk is better for you. However, the risk decisions are personal, as per the individual's risk appetite. We recommend doing a proper risk profile assessment before selecting the fund. Number 3. Expense ratio of the fund. How much the individual fund charges in management fee is an important consideration, because that determines your final returns after the charges. Target funds that have a management fee of less than 1%. Check out our video on low-cost investments to learn more about this topic. Number 4. Underlying investments. The fund fact sheets contain detailed information about the asset class such as stocks, bond, gold, etc. or sector such as tech, FMCG, finance, etc. or finally geography such as country or continent of the underlying investments. Analyze this to make sure the underlying allocation makes sense to you. Look at the top holdings or companies inside a particular fund to see if they make sense to you as investments. Number 5. Credibility factors. Look for indicators of credibility inside the fund fact sheet. Which is the asset management company and what fund manager is taking care of this particular fund? What has their track record been like in the past? How long has the fund existed for? Is it a new fund or is it an established fund? Established funds could be less riskier. How much money is being managed in the particular fund? Is it 10 crores, 100 crores or 1000 crores? Larger AUMs are beneficial for economies of scale to kick in. Now you are better equipped to deal with the overload of information available in these fund fact sheets. We will also be coming up with a module to personalize your portfolio to your risk profile and goals, so that you can maximize your returns, minimize your risk, and invest in the best funds for you. Stay tuned.